Welcome back to part 8 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. In part 7, I put it in primer, but now I still gotta do body work. More body work, so everything will be straight, smooth, perfectly fine, and then put it in paint. First things first, gotta finish. I ain't do the doors or the hood last video. Set up a little small boot this time. Don't need that big. Got the doors hanging up, hood hanging up. The little practice sheet when I want my patterns. Just got done with the doors and the hood. The hood, gotta do some more work on that one, but doors, hood. Then once everything in primer, I'm gonna start cutting and welding. I got the body outside. It look good. I got this covered in engine, cut a hood, ain't get painted yet. Now I can see exactly where I need to do more body work. Glaze and putty, patch everything up. But I still got some other parts I gotta finish. I cut all this metal out. Now I got a new piece. Line it up for welding. All right. Bye. Got the basic outline of how I'm finna cut all this out. Got this piece cut out. Now I can take my measurements. See, I got that piece. Hold on. That piece cut out. Take my measurements and get a new piece in there. Got this piece of sheet metal. Now I'm gonna tape it up, cut this, so I get a perfect piece of metal to weld. That area, gotta do those areas. Gotta smoothen out all that while I wet it too. That area right there. Did some primer areas. Did this main area, that is smooth. Gotta finish right there, all down there. I did this area. Gotta finish this, all in here. And in between these. Have to fix all these little areas right here, all around the whole bottom. Take all the paint right here, all this bare metal. Fix all these areas right here, small hole. Put this spot in. It was a hole for a light, but a light don't go in this model, so weld that up. Before I could put it in paint, I gotta prep these areas right here and all in here, so I take the windshield out. I got most of it unglued. Now it's clear. So I clean all this out. Everything looks smooth. Wet sanding process. Got everything prepped to do the jams first. I got this door masked off, this door masked off, the hood And I got the jams masked off, and then these jams. I let the jams dry overnight. It rained last night too, but everything dry. Start with the hood. I'm gonna paint these black. 1, 2, 3. These 4 areas black. We got this door. And this door. While the paint drying, I'm gonna go ahead and refurbish this hinge, and the hood latch, or whatever this is. Got a lot of different bolts I'm gonna need. I get new hardware for everything. It took me about 3 to 4 hours to get the hood aligned, the doors aligned, this door and that door. Mask that and do all the masking. Got everything ready. Just gotta wax and grease remove and a tack cloth it. Got everything unmasked. Got it in the sun, baking. Well, it's dry. I'm gonna take these off, this off. Start putting that exhaust on, clean up under the car. making sure everything good. Also got all the jams painted. Now I gotta paint, not paint, but refurbish all this, clean up all this. That's the end of part 8 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. In part 8, we got paint done, bodywork done, but we still not done. In part 9, we're gonna be doing interior, exhaust, first start, and putting everything back together. This will not be my only rebuild. I plan on doing about 4 or 5 rebuilds this year, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.